what's up? Okay, so today I'm going to be talking to you about my favorite lashes of all time. And although I love bold, huge, beautiful, stacked lashes, I also can appreciate some good natural lashes. Ones that I'm talking about today are trio lashes. So if you don't know what trio lashes are, basically,
although you don't have a shirt on, so I'm gonna like scoot up a little bit.
So the difference obviously between individual lashes and trio lashes are that trio lashes are tres, trio, you know, you get it. So individual lashes are one little clump of lash and it has probably 3 lashes sticking out. And trios are 3 of those all together on one little tiny band to make one beautiful wispy lash. You can customize them to your own liking to fit your eye shape, and they just give you that glam, my eyes are stunning and drawn out look that you really don't have with your natural lashes. So yeah, you guys, that's what I'm going to be showing you today. Go ahead and keep on watching if you want to see how to put these on. Have you guys zoomed up a little bit so that you can see what's going on? And there's a couple different brands that do trio lashes. You can find them pretty much anywhere. This Ardell set comes with short and medium. You're not really gonna find many that come with short, medium, and long. I don't know why they're so hard to find, but the medium are actually very, very long, so you can definitely just get away with these. Even the short really aren't that short. I also got these, and I actually didn't realize that it was this. I just wanted to show you guys 2 different brands. Come to find out, I actually got the short combo. Good going, Ashley. I actually do use Kiss Lash Glue, but I'm not gonna show you the lid because it's filthy. I use this Kiss Lash Glue. It's the formaldehyde and latex-free version in clear, and this is the brush-on applicator, which I personally think is so much easier and less messy. But this is the only one that doesn't bother my eyes. So you're just gonna take your little brush applicator and just apply a tiny bit of glue onto the lashes lift. These, if one were to pop off for some reason, which they won't usually because it's such a small piece of lash, you can go about your day for the most part, if they're stacked especially. So I would start right here in the middle of my eye. So you just go right over top of where your eyelashes naturally are and just stick it on. And then I'm just gonna take the tweezers and just pinch the lash together with my actual eyelashes. Make sure your tweezers are absolutely not sticky at all because they will stick to your lash and the lash is not coming off with these tweezers. So honestly, I usually just go like this on my clothes and just pull it and it'll pull all the sticky stuff off. I'm gonna take another short, put some glue on there, let it dry a little bit. And you always want to let it dry. You guys know how to put on lashes, mostly. I don't know, I actually get a lot of people that tell me that they don't wear lashes, and if you don't wear lashes, don't start. It's a disease. It's an actual disease. Once you put them on, you cannot do makeup without them ever again. So I'm gonna make a little bit of space in between the 2 of them. They're very wispy, so I just like to spread them out a tiny bit if I'm going for a natural slay. I'm just gonna take this at the very, very end and it's gonna make this is the comparison between my real lashes and then the lashes on this side. So when you look at the band, you cannot see the band on these lashes. Look at this versus this. So if I'm gonna go ahead and do a more glam look, I'm gonna add shorts onto the front and I'm gonna stack mediums in the middle. Sometimes while the lash glue is still sticky, I do like to just, like you can see my tweezers are up here on my actual skin. Let me kind of show you up close. But right underneath the lash line, just push the skin down a bit. Just not pinch it all the way down. Just give it like a little tiny squeeze. That way it'll just stick to the lash glue and the skin will cover the band. This is what they're gonna look like once you have them all applied on. I've used about, how many did we use? We'll have to go back and count. I probably used like 4 short and like 3 medium maybe. but that'll give you this very full lash look. So I'm just gonna take a minute to do the other side lashes, and then I'll time it to tell you guys how long it would actually take me with me shutting up and not talking anymore. So. See how the tweezers are slanted a bit, obviously? When I'm doing this side, I like to go this way where the slant is facing towards the eye. And so whenever you do this side, you're gonna wanna go over and move your hand this way. It's like, it's just not comfortable. You're gonna wanna go from this angle. It just makes it a lot easier. So it took me about 5 minutes to replicate like a more glam lash look on this eye. So you can see I look more awake and my eyes look more open, but also like elongated and like cat-like. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys out so I can answer any more questions about the lashes, and then we're pretty much done after that. So give me a sec. All right, you guys, so that's pretty much it. This is what they look like from a distance. And I love these lashes, you guys. They feel so comfortable. You honestly cannot feel them on your eye, and that's what I love about these. I just want to pet them. They're my little pet. That is it for this video. If you like this, you can feel free to... Damn it! Okay, this is the thing. When I try to ask people to subscribe and to like my videos, it feels so unnatural that it doesn't even want to come out of my mouth. I filmed this twice, and the last time I choked. I would love it if you would join the fam and the what, cake fam? We don't even have a name. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. So this is what I'm wearing today. Not necessarily a look, but oh well. I remember people used to do after the day videos, and that was like the whole video was just them showing their outfit that they're gonna be wearing for the day. That was a time to be alive, okay?